welcome to my daily life episode 2. So here I'm actually getting ready to gym, and I also walk my cat before I go to gym. So around 5 minutes, I just take him down and then back up after 5 minutes. Um, so I work out for 1 hour and then come back home. Once my shower is done, I mostly do my skincare routine. Um, I use just good molecules, discoloration correcting serum, and CeraVe moisturizer and sunscreen, which I haven't shown it here, but I do use it. And also lip balm, and that's it. Once my morning routine is done, I just have my breakfast. So today is Parfait, and I'm using my homemade granola, which I have shared my recipe on the shorts video. If you haven't seen that, I'll leave a link to that in the description box for you guys to go ahead and check it out. Once my breakfast is done, I'll sit down for my DIYs. So today is actually a whimsical tray DIY. This is just using some Dollar Tree item, and this is a shadow box which I got from Goodwill for 99 cents. But you'll also find this in Dollar Tree. So this DIY cost me just $5 because I have also used the moss later in the video, which I haven't shown. And all you have to do is mark the inner side of the measurement, so that when you close the shadow box it actually doesn't block anything, if that makes any sense. So do as it is shown in the video. Once the marking is done, just stick this paper to the cardboard just so that it stays in place and doesn't move around. I'm using a hot glue gun, but you can use any kind of glue here. Once that is done, now it's time to glue this 1-inch mirror to the paper and the cardboard mixture. So I'm using again hot glue gun, but you can use any other glue here, and just cover the whole cardboard piece with this mirror. Do the same thing until it is all covered. This is how it should look once it is done. Cut off the extra paper or cardboard thing and stick it back into the shadow box. Once it is done, this is how it should look. Now it's time to add this river pebbles or any rock you find in Dollar Tree, and cover the whole outer frame with this. I'm using again hot glue, but you can use any other glue. Just make sure that it is sturdy. So once all the pebbles are stuck to the frame, this is how it should look. Now it's the fun part. I had not decided this before, but later I felt that is needed. If you like this look, you can just leave it there, but I did not like the gaps, so I'm just filling it out with this moss which I bought from Dollar Tree. This is a little bit time consuming, so do watch some of your favorite shows while you're doing this, and yeah, do the same thing for all the sides, tops, and fill all the gaps. Once all the gaps are filled with moss, this is how it should look. It turned out to be really cute, and I have used this for perfume. You can use it for anything else as well.